Today, I'm going to introduce you to a feature that allows you to download and edit videos in bulk. From a single original video like this, you can add your logo, contact information, or other details. So when people watch your video, your branding and Facebook information will appear on top, which also helps avoid copyright issues. With this software, you can use your own videos or re-upload videos from other platforms. Since I don't have a video prepared right now, I will temporarily download some videos from TikTok. First, go to Scan and download video. Here you can download videos by keyword from different platforms. I'll choose TikTok for example. I'll enter the keyword travel. In the video count section, it can be unlimited, but to keep it quick, I'll just download around 10 videos. After that, you'll see a list of videos like this. Downloading them is very simple. Just select the videos you want. Enable delete watermark, choose 1080p video, and select the folder where you want to save them. Next, go to Video Management, and you will see all the videos you just downloaded here. Now, I'll show you how to create a video like the one I showed at the beginning. Here, you can add logos, text, phone numbers, or images. For example, I'll add a logo. Just select the file that contains your logo and adjust the settings. Here, the good thing is that you only need to configure these settings once, and the software will automatically save them for future use. Next, click Select Video. Choose Select for Manage Video. Select the category, and choose the folder where your videos were saved. You can either select specific videos or select all. Then click Confirm. Finally, click Apply, and the software will automatically process the videos for you. I'll even turn on the timer so you can see the process. In just a few minutes, the software will finish everything automatically. And that's it. Now you have your own branded videos with your logo and information added. Thank you for listening.